Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we're going to learn how to install Power BI on your desktop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now what you're going to do is on your browser you can just directly type Power BI and this will lead to your search result. So what you're going to do is just go to the Power BI Microsoft site, which is this one. Just click on it, and then once you are here you will go on to products and then you will click on Power BI desktop. Click on that. Once you are navigated to this page, you'll click on download free. It'll take you to another page and you'll click on open. What it will do then is it will open the Microsoft Store, in which it will prompt you to install the Power BI for your desktop. So there you go. And then what you will do is you'll click on get. And as you can see, it has started to download. So I'm going to resume this once the download has been finished. Alright, so as you can see, the download has almost been finished. This is almost 700 MB of the size of the installation file. And once it gets downloaded, it will automatically install. And once it gets installed, you'll be prompted with the open dialog box. And then this is how your Microsoft page would load. So what happens when you click on open, it will ask you to select an account to sign up with. So what you can do is you can sign up with your Microsoft account, with your organizational Microsoft account if you have one. Otherwise you can go ahead and just use another account if you have a different account. Or what you can do is you can just close it and just do not sign up. Do not sign in with an account. It'll just open up. Alright, so once you have done the sign in process with using your Microsoft account, so this is the prompt that you will see over here on the left hand side is your recent projects or recent sources that you have been doing. At the moment this is a new installation, so you won't be able to see any projects, but if you have been doing any projects, you can go in and select and just resume. In the middle it will show you some of the latest videos or your videos that you can work in order to get knowing about your Power BI. On the right hand side you'll see any updates or anything else. One of the important things over here is the Power BI vlog, and I personally think that is very important because you'll probably see that every week there are new updates that takes into place. And it's always good to keep yourself subscribed to it and sort of get familiar with what all future releases are coming. And once you're done, so let me just click on Power BI blog and let me show you what the page will take you to. So as you click on that, it will open up a browser and it'll take you to the Power BI blog page. Over here you can enter your email address in order to get subscribed to any notification that will be released. So as you can see, this is a Power BI August 2022 feature summary that will show you what all updates has come, and if you click on that it will further take you to that particular article where you can read what all changes has taken place. On top of that, you'll probably see a history of articles that has been released for each particular month, so that you can see and familiarize yourself with it. Furthermore, I think Power BI also has a YouTube channel that will show you just the updates that has been released, so you can always go in and subscribe to that and sort of see what all changes are coming. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If so, please do give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.